decided to drive all the way up from Delhi to Ladakh, and Robert Goodino accompanied him on that ride. He has more details.
It's 3 in the morning right now, and we are going to embark on a very unique trip. A trip from Delhi to Marsimikla, the highest motorable pass in the world. And Naveen's going to take us there, so let's get going. With a destination such, it was for sure that we had to leave as early as possible to avoid the traffic and to get a head start on the hills. A tough drive by any standards. But what made it extra special was the man behind the wheel, ex-army man Naveen Gulia, who was discharged from the army 9 years ago. After an obstacle race mishap, injured his spine and left him completely paralyzed. His chariot in this case is a completely modified Tata Safari, where all controls including the clutch, accelerator and brakes are controlled by his hands. In fact, you would never be able to guess where the horn is. The morning light had brought about a fresh spurt of energy and the hills were there to conquer. The refueling was only necessary for the car as Naveen was as charged up as when we started. We reached Manali around 5 PM and the daunting Rohtang Pass was up next.
किसी भी सिचुएशन को देख के जैसे काफ़ी लोग कहते हैं कि ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकता या ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाता, मैं वो चीज़ कभी नहीं कहता किसी भी चीज़ के लिए। या तो मैं किसी चीज़ को जिस चीज़ को मैं करना चाहता हूँ उसको मैं डेफिनेटली कर देता हूँ। तो मैं पहले से ही पॉजिटिव था और इंजरी लगने के बाद भी मेरे माइंड में कभी डाउट नहीं था कि मैं इस इंजरी से बाहर नहीं आ पाऊँगा। और जब मैंने मतलब पहले रिकवर किया, पहले तो मेरे लिए एक व्हीलचेयर में बैठ के व्हीलचेयर चलाना ही एक चैलेंज था, तो वहाँ से शुरू किया। तब मैंने ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं गाड़ी चला के यहाँ तक पहुँचूँगा एक दिन।
With bad weather to hinder our way, zero visibility made us proceed at a snail's pace. This was extremely tiring for Naveen. It's 3 AM now, and after 24 hours of non-stop driving, Naveen has taken his first pit stop. We anticipate being back on the road in 15 minutes. And with this new energy, our destination on hand does not seem far. The next morning brought a new light of hope, as it was now evident that Mission Marsimikla was there to be accomplished. It was a grueling drive up ahead, but Naveen was up for it. Driving from Karu to Tangse in less than 5 hours, he was on schedule. However, what lay ahead was the toughest terrain yet, a dirt track through the Himalayas to reach a height of 18,634 feet. Triumph for Naveen came after 3 hours of this dirt track driving, but it was worth every single moment spent getting there.
It was mission impossible, and the person who travels it will know that it was mission impossible. When we have to do it, then only when we have it. And this is the moment of my lifetime.
Sri Sonam, Commander of the Year.
My life has become meaningful. I want to make this statement. If in your life you have not found something you can die for, your life is not worth living.
After driving for more than 58 hours of rocky terrain and different kinds of weather, we have finally reached. This pass is 18,634 feet high, 334 feet higher than Mount Everest base camp. And that's the kind of intensity Naveen Gulia has gone through. We wish him all the best for his future endeavors.
We're going to take our second and last commercial break.